Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Satoshi coin. Ticker symbol is SAT, S-A-T. This is a brand new token. Phase 1 of their pre-sale is opening soon. We're going to talk about how you can find this token, where you can get it, how to get it, all that type of stuff, the info on it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Satoshi coin. So you can find their official webpage at satoshicoin.pro. So over there, you will see it pop up right away. I mean, they have their socials right at the top here. They have a Telegram. They have a Twitter. I'm going to see if I can put their Twitter right up here so you guys can easily find it, which is now called X, of course. They're on bitcointalk.org. They have that link on their page as well. And so their Telegram you can find at Satoshi Coin ETH. Obviously, this is an Ethereum token. You can tell based off the names of their socials. And their Twitter is also at Satoshi Coin ETH. Now, just be aware, there's many coins and tokens out there with the name Satoshi in it. Probably the ticker symbol SAT or SATs or whatever. There's probably many. So I would guess at least 50. So make sure you have the right one, obviously. If you go right to this Twitter right here, you will see right on the Twitter right there is their webpage as well. SatoshiCoin.pro, you can see it right there. This Twitter just joined in July 2023, has the blue verified check mark already. So they do, if you go to their webpage there, they do also have a full white paper you could check out as well. So right on the webpage, right when you log in, has the countdown basically until the pre-sale starts. It says pre-sale start time is 17:22 UTC time on the 3rd of August. So that is tomorrow. So I'm giving you this brand new token here for you guys to go check out. I'm not saying it's a good token. The token could be a horrible investment. I'm just saying I'm letting you know what's out there so you guys can go check it out. And basically this token's pre-sale starts in under 20 hours by the time I upload this video. Now you look at the countdown, it'll be right on the page. It'll show right underneath that how to buy. You just click on that. It'll take you step by step how to buy. You can either buy this token with Ethereum, it says, USDT, USDC, BNB, BUSD. It's a very easy converter how to buy thing right on their page here. You just click on that, follow the steps. I don't really need to go over that with you because it is right on the page. So it also has exchanges in negotiation on here. So they're talking about Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, OKX, Gate.io, and Huobi Global. So all of these listings might be happening in the future. So there's a total supply of 21 million tokens, just like Bitcoin, 21 million fixed total supply. If you are going to buy this token off of a decentralized exchange, it says there's a 5% tax, a small tax to ensure full growth of the project. So later on, you'll probably have to set your slippage around 5%. Now how that is split up here, it says 2% of that goes to marketing. 1% of that will go to WBTC. 1% of the tax is used to buy back WBTC and reward the most loyal holders with wrapped Bitcoin rewards. And 2% will go to development. Now, they also have mining, staking, and protection. So there's different things they talk about on each one of those. Now, if we skip over to their paper here, let's just check that out here. So they talk about after 13 years of anonymity and disappearance, Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, suddenly re-emerged into the spotlight. His return sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency community. In a highly anticipated press conference, Satoshi revealed his reasons for resurfacing. He expressed concern over the direction of the crypto space and which direction it has taken since his departure, and then yada yada yada, and then it says Satoshi coin was born. Obviously, this is a story, of course. This is not really from the real guy. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it could be, but I would guess it's not. But yes, I mean, prove it, right? That's what I say. Satoshi has planned his creation, the Satoshi coin, and it goes over all this other stuff. We don't need to talk about that. So they say it's environmentally friendly. POCP doesn't require energy-intensive mining operations, making it an eco-conscious alternative to traditional algorithms. Also, accessibility. The application is easy to set up and use, allowing a broader user base to participate in the coin mining process. And fair rewards. The reward distribution system is based on the actual computational power contributed by each user's computer. This ensures that rewards are allocated fairly, encouraging participation and fostering a stronger and more inclusive community. So they talk about the pre-sale goes in different phases. It looks like they have 3 different pre-sales here. Starts at 23 cents for phase 1, which starts basically tomorrow. Then phase 2, it's going to go up to 50 cents, so it more than doubles by the time it gets to phase 2. And then phase 3 is going to be $1. So it goes over 1, 2, 3, how much percentage of the coins. So 10% of the coins go to phase 1, 15% phase 2, 20% phase 3, 5% of the tokens go to the team, 45% goes to staking, and 5% liquidity. So it says this is protected by a brand new unique Usdt protection system, which ensures panic sellers cannot harm the chart. So they have that on here, it says. Now, it says there's buybacks and rewards. A snapshot will be made at certain intervals. If holders have met the criteria up to the snapshot, they will be rewarded and able to claim their wrapped Bitcoin from the Satoshi Coin app. So the G protection, it says short-term traders invest to scalp or swing a token from quick gains profits, which can hurt the chart. So this token here encourages long-term investors to invest, discourages short-term traders, protects the price, and forces investors to exit slowly. After buying, the G protection system allows investors to exit 10% of their tokens per day. So it says basically, you can only sell 10% of your tokens per day. So be aware of that. If people are trying to sell this, and then there's they're saying, "Oh, I can't sell the token." That's probably why you're only allowed to sell 10% of your tokens. So that's big. Be aware of that. Okay. Then it says tax limits is 10%. Cannot pause trading. Cannot blacklist wallets. Cannot mint new tokens. 21 million fixed total supply. Max wallet can only be increased, not decreased. All of these will allow our contract to remain unrenounced, but act as a renounced contract, it says. So be aware of that. Contract is not renounced either. So yes, definitely review all this information first. Hopefully they have a full audit coming and all that type of stuff that you can go over as well. And it looks like they have different marketing strategies, different news articles, things like that. So check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.